If uranium did not exist, the landscape of energy production, nuclear science, and even geopolitical dynamics would be profoundly altered. Uranium, a heavy metal and the primary fuel for nuclear reactors, plays a crucial role in generating a significant portion of the world's electricity. Without it, the reliance on fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas would likely increase, leading to heightened carbon emissions and exacerbating climate change. The absence of uranium would also stifle advancements in nuclear technology, which has been pivotal in developing cleaner energy alternatives. Nuclear power is considered a low-carbon energy source, and without it, the transition to sustainable energy might be slow and more challenging, potentially hindering efforts to combat global warming. In the realm of medicine, uranium's absence would impact the development of certain medical, imaging, and cancer treatment technologies that rely on nuclear medicine. Radioisotopes derived from uranium are used in various diagnostic and therapeutic procedures. And without these, the medical field would have to rely more heavily on alternative methods, which may not be as effective or widely available. Geopolitically, the absence of uranium would reshape international relations and power dynamics. Countries that rely heavily on nuclear energy, such as France and the United States, would face energy security challenges, potentially leading to increased competition for fossil fuel resources. Additionally, the nuclear arms race, which has defined much of the 20th and 21st centuries, would take a different trajectory. The lack of uranium would mean that nations could not develop nuclear weapons, potentially leading to a more peaceful global landscape, but also to a power vacuum that could result in conflicts over other resources. Furthermore, scientific research and technological innovation would be significantly impacted. The study of nuclear physics, which has led to numerous breakthroughs in various fields, would lack a fundamental element, potentially stalling advancements in energy, materials science, and even space exploration. The quest for alternative energy sources would become even more urgent, possibly accelerating the development of renewable energy technologies, like solar, wind, and geothermal power. In summary, the non-existence of uranium would create a ripple effect across energy, production, medicine, geopolitics, and scientific research. The world would face a greater reliance on fossil fuels, slower progress in sustainable energy solutions, and a different geopolitical landscape, all of which would significantly alter the trajectory of human development and our approach to global challenges. The absence of this element would not only change the way we generate energy, but also how we interact with one another on a global scale, highlighting the interconnectedness of scientific discovery and societal progress.